Originalism is the theory of constitutional interpretation, which says, first and foremost, that our obligation, principally the obligation of jurists, though it seems to me the obligation probably extends to others as well, when we interpret the Constitution, is not to impose our own values or perceptions or aspirations upon it, but to be faithful not only to the language, but to the original, what are ultimately called the original intentions and the original understanding, or sometimes the original meaning of the constitutional text. So the idea here is, in order to constrain us, in order to constrain later interpreters from making it up as we go along, or treating the Constitution simply as a plastic text that we can bend to our will or bend to our purposes, the best way to maintain fidelity to the Constitution is to try to reconstruct what its language originally meant to its adopters, who would be either the framers of the Constitution at Philadelphia in 1787, or more important in terms of the strict theory of originalism, the ratifiers in the state conventions, or more generally the American public for whom they were speaking.